Hi everybody, and in today's video I'm going to talk about the Disney dining plan at Walt Disney World. So today's video will cover what is the dining plan, how to use the dining plan, and is the dining plan worth it? Well, what is the dining plan? Disney offers 3 different types of dining plans, so there is legit one for every family's needs. First, they have the quick service dining plan, and that is 2 quick service meals and 2 snack credits per person per night of your stay. Plus, everyone will get a resort refillable mug. Then there is the Disney dining plan, and that is 1 table service credit, 1 quick service credit, and 2 snack credits per person per night of your stay, plus the resort refillable mug. Then there is the deluxe dining plan, and that is 3 meal credits, quick service or table service credits per person per night of your stay, as well as 2 snack credits per person per night of your stay. And yep, you guessed it, the resort refillable mug. Well, first I'll answer the question of the resort refillable mug. What is it? Where can you use it? All that. It is really only good at your resort. So it's good for unlimited coffee, iced tea, water, soft drinks at your resort. And you can absolutely fill this up with your morning coffee and walk to the theme parks or head to the theme parks with it. But there is really no spot in any of the theme parks to refill this throughout the day. So something to keep in mind as you are filling it up in the morning. You may bring it to other resorts and use it at other quick service locations, no problem. So, what is included in your meal plan? Well, at your quick service locations, you will get an entree and a beverage. If you don't have your resort refillable mug, say you're at one of the quick service locations within the theme park, you may get a beverage they offer. If you are over the age of 21, you may get an alcoholic beverage. I think it has to be under $16, so glass of wine, bottle of beer, and some mixed drinks are included. If you do not drink or you are under the age of 21, then you may get a specialty beverage. So that is for your quick service locations and your quick service meal credits. Your table service credits work a little bit differently. So you may use 1 table service credit for, say, a buffet. And the buffet will include your buffet and your beverage, but not in this. You can get an alcoholic beverage where they are served at the buffets, or a specialty beverage, or a regular iced tea, water, lemonade kind of thing as well. Now, at the restaurants that are a menu restaurant, you will get an entree, a dessert, and a beverage. Not in this. You can get an iced tea, soda, soft drink. Those over 21, yep. You may also get an alcoholic beverage. Those who don't drink, specialty drink at all those locations. Now those snack credits, how do you go about using those? Well, they make this super easy. Anytime you go into a store, a restaurant, and you see the little purple and white checkered, that is 1 snack credit. And when you book your trip through me, I send you my go-to list of snack credits, some things you may not have thought of, some things we like, give you a good idea of snack credits. One of my favorite tips is at Starbucks, any drink, any size, 1 snack credit. I feel like that makes it all worth it right there. So those snack credits, super easy to use. So how do you keep track of all these wonderful snack credits and table service credits and quick service credits? Well, when you're staying at a Disney-owned resort, that's where you need to be to get the dining plan. You will get your Magic Band with any resort stay. So everybody over the age of 3 will get a Magic Band. And you will set up a PIN code. The PIN code can be set up at check-in or beforehand on your My Disney Experience account. And what you'll do is anytime you go to a table service or a quick service or you're redeeming a snack credit, you will scan your Magic Band, that little Mickey to their Mickey. You'll type in your PIN code and you will let the cast member know yep, I'm going to redeem my quick service credits, I'm going to redeem my snack credits, and then they'll print off a receipt showing you your balance of credits. You can also look on your My Disney Experience app. That will show you how many credits you have left. They will show you your entire room. So if you're looking at it and you're like 20 table service credits, that's because that's how many you have for everybody in your party within your room for your whole stay. So the next question I always get is the dining plan worth it? And I honestly think that the dining plan is worth it, but it can absolutely vary from family to family and trip to trip. What I love about the Disney dining plans is that they offer 3 different ones. So if you're gonna go down there and not do a bunch of character meals, the quick service meal plan is perfect for you. You can go and get your breakfast every morning. With your quick service meal, you'll have, if everyone's hungry throughout the parks, you don't have to worry about it. It's already paid for. And then I really love the Disney dining plan because it gives you a variety of snack options, quick service and table service. So if you want to go have dinner with the characters, then it's already paid for. And then the deluxe dining plan, I find it is a good value if you want to use it at signature restaurants, places like Cinderella's Royal Table, California Grill, Le Cellier. Those are all going to be 2 table service credits. So if you would like to dine at those type of places, and more than one, the deluxe dining plan may be for you. Now my biggest tip of all is when you have the Disney dining plan or the deluxe dining plan is make sure you've made those reservations. You will want to make sure you're getting a good value for this dining plan and make sure you're using your credits properly. So plan out where you'd like to go. Make those dining reservations at 180 days prior to check-in, which I know is a little crazy planning where you're gonna eat so far in advance. We can modify things throughout as long as there are places available, but having that plan in place will be key, knowing that you've used those table service credits in advance. The one place that will accept a quick service dining reservation is Be Our Guest for breakfast and lunch. And in another video I talked about dining at the Magic Kingdom, I'll link that one below, where the Be Our Guest for breakfast is a very good value for your quick service credit. So let me know, where's your favorite restaurant to use a dining credit at? Do you have a favorite snack credit idea? I shared my snack credit, my Starbucks. Where do you like to have where's your favorite Disney snack? Is it a Mickey bar, a Mickey pretzel? Let me know in the comments below. Please subscribe and like, I really appreciate it. And I'll be in Disney so soon, giving you guys more videos on location. I can't wait. Thank you so much for watching.